Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Airbuds 6. In this video I'll show you how to use gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Here is the left earbud and here is the right earbud. The touch panel is right under the LED lights on the earbuds. Now, to activate voice assistant, tap and hold on either earbud for 1 second. To play pause music, double tap on either earbud. To select last one song, triple click on the left earbud. To select next song, triple tap on the right earbud. To answer the calls, double click on the either earbud. To hang up, double click on the either earbud. And to reject phone call, long press on either earbud. To increase volume, single tap on the right earbud. To decrease volume, single tap on the left earbud. And to reset to factory settings, tap on either earbud 4 times. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.